This could be the ultimate Cerakote spray booth. This is the new GS3-457 from Built American. Why is this potentially my favorite spray booth? Well, they actually incorporated feedback and feature requests from us. We're gonna go in depth and end to end in this video. Hey guys, Gavin Gear here from UltimateReloader.com. It's true, I'm really excited about my new GS3-457 spray booth from Built American. Let's take a quick look at this unit. We've got 6 filters. We've got the premium powder coat interior. This is going to increase reflectivity. This is an option that you can choose from the drop down. We've got greatly enhanced lighting. We've got racking options built in. We've got a 2-gun gun rack for our spray guns. Super, super cool stuff. This is a 65 by 65 outer dimensions, right? So it's a really, really nice size for being able to get into the booth and spray larger objects. Here's the control panel. We've got a switch for the fan. We've got a switch for the light. The fan speed is settable. It's variable speed. Why is this so important? Well, I talked to Built American about the challenges that are inherent in venting your booth to the outdoors. If your fan is running full speed, you're going to be pumping a whole bunch of cooled air in the summer or warmed air in the winter out, and you're going to have bad HVAC load problems. So if we can keep this fan at a much lower speed to just get rid of fumes while we're doing prep in the spray booth or actually off-gassing, flashing, and then turn it up when we're spraying material, that's going to be super, super awesome. We've got the hookup here for our manometer. There's another pressure port here. This is differential pressure from the inside of the booth to the exit side, and that's going to help us monitor the condition of the filters. We've got power for the fans. We've got 2 fans right here. And fortunately, our building is 24-inch on centers. These are 26 inches on centers, and that means that we're going to have a really easy time punching through the building and getting it vented to the outside. So with that, I'm going to get all of the contents out. I'll show you what's included with the booth. All right, so everything's unpacked. Starting over here, we've got filter pockets and the front filters. So there's a 2-stage filtration system, which is great. We've got the owner's manual and info packet, some social media links here. This is an option, the manometer, which monitors the differential pressure. We've got the 2 fan units, which are going to plug in the back, and the associated mounting hardware. So with that, I'm ready to move stuff around and start assembling this bad boy. Going on here. What we're going to do is drill through a piece of wood to hold this drill bit going straight. Oh yeah, that looks great. Nice. Okay, so we cut through the wall, we got the booth pushed in place. I got it plugged into the outlet, and that means one thing. That means it's time to turn this baby on. So, first off, let there be light. Ooh, I like that. That is cool. Yeah, that lighting combined with the white, that reflects a lot. I'm really, really liking that. Okay, so here we go, fan time. 80, 115. Ooh, nice. That goes down nice and slow. Excellent. I can get the airflow as low as I want it, and that's going to be perfect for when we don't want to lose air conditioning or we don't want to lose heating. This is awesome. Okay, so next steps are going to be to install the filters and the manometer. So we've got filters. There's actually 2 filters for each hole. We've got the pocket filter that goes in the back, and we've got this wire frame. There's a little wire frame that goes around the edge of it to go in the front. And this has a tacky compound on the front. It's like a tack cloth. So this is going to do a really good job of trapping particles. And then if we move our way around the side, let's turn this thing on. Now we're going to see the manometer climb a bit, somewhere around 0.15 or so. And if our filters get dirty, we're going to be way over here. So it's nice to have this. It's a great gauge to know how much airflow we're actually getting, not just the appearance of the filters, but the actual airflow. So with that, I'm going to put some protective film in place, and we'll give her a try. So here we are. I got the carpet protector film protecting the inside of the booth. One thing that I didn't mention is Built American is going to give you some sample material to spray right away. These are signs and decor, and so what I'm going to do is I'm going to pick a few of these. We're going to blast them, and then let's spray some Cerakote with the new booth. Okay, so we got our parts blasted and racked, and now I'm going to take some H362 Patriot Blue, and we're going to mix this up at 18:1. Well, I got the spraying done. I let it flash for 15 minutes, and it's in the oven. That's the BAE 0300 we're using. We also have the BAE 0200. Depending on the features you need. One is designed for a roll-in rack, and one is not. So here's the deal. This booth, the GS3-457, I am incredibly happy with. I love the spaciousness of the interior. I love the enhanced lighting, the gun rack. We've even got a clip for our test sheet. We've got a variable speed fan. We've got the manometer to tell us when the filters need changing. This is basically the ultimate Cerakote spray booth. And you guys have probably heard me talk about the UR5 code. On any single piece of equipment, you can get 5% off by using that UR5 code. But we have a new code, UR10. If you're buying more than one piece of equipment, you can save 10% on that order. Pretty awesome. And if you want more information about all of the products that I mentioned from Built American, click on that first link in the video description. And in our accompanying article, we'll have more information. I can't wait to do more Cerakoting. I feel like my shop is just becoming the ultimate Cerakote shop, and that's awesome. If you have thoughts about the GS3-457, please drop a comment. I'd love to hear what you think. I love the protective film that I put in place. It's going to keep the interior real nice, and it's pretty quick and easy to put up. So another nice tip for you. Okay, that concludes this video, and that means it's time to wrap it up. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you're watching Ultimate Reloader on TV and want to take advantage of free resources, exclusives, and hot deals, just hold your camera phone up to the QR code, tap on the link, fill out the information, boom, you're getting Ultimate Reloader emails. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Also, we're on Facebook, YouTube, Rumble, where we've got unrestricted content, and Instagram. Make sure to follow us on all those channels. Ultimate Reloader also has a commercial solutions division serving law enforcement, the military, and the gun industry. We have some unique capabilities, including a comprehensive suite of recoil testing and evaluation capabilities, trigger profiling, and more. Thanks again for watching.